And there were a lot of individual moments in the film that I liked, but overall, I would not recommend this film to anybody. And I'm sorry. I know you love it.
All right, so yeah, my hot take is that this is the best comic book movie ever made. One of the best action movies I've ever seen. I mean, look, I get why you don't like it. I just think you're not as into action movies as I am. But I think if you like action movies, you will like this movie. And I think if you like actual comic book movies, you will like this movie. It is definitely for a very particular taste. It's certainly not, I mean, it's not going to win any Oscars. Obviously, it didn't. It's not an Oscar bait movie.